So welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can calculate the average of numbers in Microsoft Word table using the built-in formula tool. So first you need to click inside the blank table cell where you want the calculated average to appear, usually at the bottom of the column or at the end of the rows. So I'll be selecting at the bottom of the table. And then go to the top ribbon and click the layout tab, and under the data group click on the FX formula. So in the formula box enter the calculation based on your layout, delete it and go to the paste function and select the average and type above inside the parenthesis, put the equal sign over here, and now select your preferred display style in the number formats drop down. Click on that and click OK to proceed. Moreover, word formulas do not update automatically when you change the numbers in the table. To refresh the calculated value, you need to highlight the formula cell or press F9 on your keyboard, or you can simply right click and click on the update field. The numbers will be refreshed. Moreover, if you want to take the average from the left to right side, click on the empty cells and then go to the layout tab, click on the formula and remove it. Click on this option, click on the average and type left inside the parenthesis and put the equal signs here and click on the number format. This time select it, click OK to proceed, and you will see the average of 2 decimal places. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can calculate an average in MS Word.